So hi, I'm Kishnell. So today I'm gonna try to show you how my Woody, which I got when I was like 8 or something, I'm gonna show you how he works. My Woody works like any other Woody doll, I guess. You just pull the string and he says some famous lines from the movie Toy Story.
Oh, you're the best treasure hunting buddy a sheriff could ever want. Ride like the wind. This is my lucky hat. Adventure is my middle name. X marks the spot. Saddle up. It's adventure time.
Now keep in mind, while I'm making this video, I'm also learning how Woody works. So please bear with me if I have a lack of knowledge in any of the stuff that makes him work. So yeah, let's open him up. So I opened him up from the back, and after fiddling with getting this white piece mostly out, this is what we get. On the front, we have the batteries. My Woody takes LR44 batteries. You know, those tiny cute little ones. On the bottom, we have the speaker.
You're the best treasure hunting buddy a sheriff could ever want.
And on the other side, well, this is where the magic happens. So I've opened it up and I see two parts. We have the circuit board and we have the mechanism. But I'm gonna focus on the mechanism since that's what I'm really curious about. So the string we pull to make Woody talk is attached to this wheel, which is also attached to this metal coil thing that makes the thing retract. Now the interesting part here, well, at least for me, is how this thing closes the circuit and allows Woody to talk. There are two metal bits, one on the inside of the wheel and one to the side of it, which when come in contact, close the circuit, and BAM! It makes Woody talk. So the string is wrapped around this wheel when it is retracted. This has two purposes. The first purpose is to keep the string from going all over the place. And the second purpose is to keep that one metal bit from touching the other one beside the wheel by holding it down. As you pull the string to the end, there will be no more string holding down the metal bit, and it goes up and then comes in contact with the other bit. And then it happens. Woody talks. Yay! And as for the circuit board, I didn't really focus on that. So all I noticed was there were 6 wires. Sorry about that. 2 going to the battery, 2 to the wheel, which acts as the switch, and 2 going to the speaker. So yeah, that's about it. That's how Woody works.